Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will be going to Ironman Malaysia in Segambut. They have a 25% promotion for their 4x4 accessories. They are also installing an Alucab pop-up roof conversion on a Land Rover Defender. This pop-up roof is the ultimate solution for overlanding, where you can sleep 2 person on top of the second level. This plug-and-play solution is fully integrated into the existing roof of the Land Rover Defender. I browsed through the recovery gear section and I decided to get the snatch strap, the tree trunk protector, and also the recovery block. Beside that, they also have many other 4x4 accessories such as winch, lights, camping accessories, and all of them are under this promotion right now.